question is parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. It means first you have to draw a parallelogram and touches all sides of a parallelogram. I have to draw a circle in a parallelogram. Understood? So first of all, what I should do, here I will draw one parallelogram. Here, one parallelogram you have to draw. ABCD. Now, in a parallelogram, I have to draw a circle such that its boundary should touch all sides of this parallelogram. So here I am drawing circle inside. So like that one diagram you will draw. Let it is touching at a point P, Q, R and S. So here and O is a center of a circle. So first of all, what is given that you should write? Given ABCD is a parallelogram. Now, we have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. So to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Now here proof I am writing. Observe. If A is an exterior point, then AP and PS will be two equal tangents I can write. So here I am writing A is an exterior point such that AP and AS be its tangents. Tangents of a circle. Be tangents of a circle. Now here, what I can write? If these are tangents of a circle, it means I can write AS is equals to AP. So here I am writing AS is equals to AP. Let this is your equation number 1. Similarly, I can write down if B is a tangent of a circle, so you can write down BQ is equals to PB. Let this is your equation number 2. Also, if C is a tangent of exterior point of a circle, then these both will be tangents. Here, now listen to me, one more thing. Here, one time I have written that A is an exterior point and AP and AS be tangents of a circle, so that tangents will be equal. Now, again and again, no need to write down such statements. You can write down by using similarly, or if you want to write down this whole information, so what you should write down? Here, A, B, C and D are exterior points of a circle. Therefore, AP, AS, PB, BQ, CQ, CR and DR, DS will be its tangents. And after that, you may write down these 4 equations. Now, it is up to you. The way you will think, that way you may write down. Now, similarly, if C will be your exterior point, these two will be equal tangents. So, here I can write CQ is equals to CR. Let this is your equation number 3. After that, D is your exterior point. So, these both will be equal tangents. So, here I am writing DS is equals to DR. Equation number 4. Now, add equation 1 to 4. So, here I am writing add equation number 1 to 4. So, while you are adding, that time you have to add all LHS and after that you will add all RHS. So, here I will write AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS, which is equals to, here you can write down AP plus PB plus CR plus DR. Now observe AS plus BQ. AS plus, observe AS plus DS. AS plus DS, in place of that I can write down AD. So here I am writing AD plus. Now BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ, here I can write down BC, which is equals to AP plus PB, I can write down AB plus CR plus DR, here I can write CD. Let this is your equation number 5. But ABCD is a parallelogram, here I am writing, but ABCD is a parallelogram, and as per its definition I can write down opposite sides are equal and parallel. So here I can write AB is equals to CR and let this is 6, and next is BC is equals to AD. So BC is equals to AD. This is your equation number 7. Now what I can do here, to prove it is a rhombus, I have to prove all sides equal. Now observe, these both are equal, these both are equal. If I will be able to prove AB is equals to BC, then from AB is equals to BC, and based on these two equations I can say that all sides are equal, and if all sides will be equal then it will be considered as a rhombus. So what I will do here, in place of here if I want AB, so AD plus BC. So in place of AD, may I write down BC from your equation number 7. So now from equation 5, 6 and 7, what I can write, in place of AD from equation number 7 I am writing BC. So here BC plus BC, which is equals to, now in place of CD from using equation number 6 I am writing AB. So AB plus AB. So it will be 2 times BC, which is equals to 2 times AB. 2 will be cancelled out. Now BC is equals to AB. So now observe, AB is equals to BC. AB is equals to, sorry, here AB is equals to CD. It was D. So AB is equals to CD and BC is equals to AD. So you can observe that from equation number 6, 7 and this result I can conclude that all 4 sides are equal. So here I can write that for AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. So therefore ABCD is a rhombus.